What's up, guys? We're getting ready to head out to Prairie City. We are going to be testing out all the new mods on the YJ, and we've got a couple of buddies that are going to meet up with us. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. We've got Jeep YJs and a couple Samurais. Doesn't get any better than that. Oh. So biggest change to the Jeep is the stretch. We haven't really tried it out in the rocks too much. A little bit on Fort Ice for Winter Fun Fest. Wasn't a lot. Same with the hydraulic assist and the new steering setup. Besides that, but the biggest change is the Atlas. So that's what I'm most excited about. Hopefully it's gonna work. We're gonna drive the Jeep to the trail and we're gonna do some slow rock crawling.
Rattlesnake, rattlesnake. Where? Right there in the rocks. Big. Should I hop in or just go on the other side? It's down in the rocks. Oh, he's moving. Oh, he's big. Well, wait, let me get past before you disturb him, because if he moves. Okay, but if he comes flying out, I don't want to be right here. Let me get up. Can I get up there? Damn, they're all in here. Oh, that scared me.
Yeah, I saw him crawling away right when
there was another big one right on the other side. He was pretty far under.
speed is nice and slowed down now. It makes wheeling on these leaf springs pretty tolerable. It's crashing my spine all the time. But so far, absolutely love it. Highly recommend it.
Go slow. Straighten out. You're good. Take your time. Hold that. Straighten out. Slow. Yep. You're slow, slow, slow. Good job. Straight. Good job.
Oh, he got it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's the nice thing about Sammy is they can sneak through everything. Slow.
You guys get Rubicon, no problem. This is worse than gatekeeper.
Oh yeah, you guys for sure. You're about to come up on this side, so just go real slow. There you go. So you're gonna come up now. Yep. There you go. Good job.
Oh my gosh, that's the best my Jeep has ever done going up that obstacle. Holy moly. Switched up by axle. Yeah, you were on the diff. Didn't look normal. Hey Paul, stop. I would back up to passenger. You're about to fall off over here. Try to come forward and driver hard. Yep, keep going, driver, driver. Keep going, driver. You're good. Hey, no cheating. Yeah. Nice job.
Let it back? Yep. Real nice and easy like. You got a flat tire, so if anything, hit the gas and go back. Hit the gas? Yeah, hit gas. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Austin. Hey, you got a Colby valve? What happened? Rip the valve stem.
Okay, you're right on the corner there with your tire. Oh, schnikes. That height there with your leaf springs, if you were any lower. out and look. You picked up this rock and look, he's sitting right there now.
Oh man, that's great on my oil pan. Might be in trouble now.
I know. No, you're okay. Here, stop.
Why didn't it?
You're gonna come up now. There you go. Good job. Jeez, you picked that up. Like, it was so crazy to watch. Your oil pan look okay?
Yep, we'll see how it does. All right, getting ready to wrap up out here. We had a really awesome day. A bunch of us were just testing out our rigs after we modded them out. And what better place to do it than the local OHV park? Because if anything goes wrong, we're not too far from home. Unfortunately, a bunch of stuff went wrong, but the good thing is none of it was catastrophic. We had one of the Jeep YJs, actually this one right here, front drive shaft slipped apart, and that's it though. We thought it might have broken the drive shaft or an axle. He didn't, and he's driving home. Let's see, we had one of the other Jeeps busted the valve off the tire, but we had the tools to change it out, so we did. And then my Jeep did awesome. One problem though, I crushed in the oil pan again. This time it was way worse than the last time, and I did not bring the trailer, so I could probably get away with driving it home, but I do not want to damage this engine, so I'm not going to chance it. Luckily, one of the guys brought a trailer. They're going to drive their Samurai home, and they're going to tow my Jeep. There's the damage. It is really crushed in, but the Jeep did fantastic. It's like a new vehicle having that transfer case in there. And I'm running out of excuses to not do a good job on the trail, so I'm gonna have to put up. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks for checking out our video. Got Molina Ghost Run coming up, and then a Rubicon trip shortly after that. Thanks for checking it out. See you guys in the next one.